Today we're gonna be doing a video on how to fix an AT&T phone. I'm keep getting this error out of range or no power at base. So I'm gonna show you guys how we can go ahead and reset that error message, so we can go ahead and get the phone back to work. This phone is the AT&T model EL52303. Okay, so the steps are: we go to menu right here, then we gotta go to settings. We go scroll down to settings right here. Then right here, when we on settings, we press the following. It is *7890#. Then it will take you right into this page. Then you scroll down to test handset, and you hit select. Then once you're here, you will see all these options right here. So you go straight to this right here, which it says next page. So you click on next page, then you will see this message that says register clear, check test. So we're gonna choose this option that says register clear. You select right here. It will ask you if you want to clear the registry, and then you hit select, and then once it will hit OK. So now it's registered. The registry is clear. So then you got to follow the steps to go ahead and register the phone. You can see that on the manual, or I will do another video showing you guys how to register the phone.